Hi everyone, here to show you the Lyle packet. So it comes as a little waist bag.
Wow, your bag's just turned into a jacket.
There you have it. Centre front zip with reflective trim. Mesh lined. An adjustable shock cord hem. Two lower pockets, which one of them on the lower left side converts into a belt bag and will say pack away, which I will show you how it works at the end of the video. With elasticated cuffs. Fully waterproof and breathable fabric. With durable water repellent finish and tape seams. Featuring a concealed hood with adjusters to the front and a volume adjuster to the back. The rain is starting to stop. This jacket actually packs into its own pocket, so I'm going to show you how that works. It's a nice light fabric, so it's like lightweight, flexible. We're going into the back of pocket.
So you turn the pocket inside out and you just stuff the jacket into the pocket, is that right?
Yep. It's really easy to notice because it has a handle on the inside and that's going to be on the outside of the bag when you're finished.
And then turn around. Yeah.
So, we're back. The jacket's in there. Off I go.